Today we have started with the construction of a triangle in which base angle it is given, base it is given, and the difference of the two sides are given. Okay. Now here in exercise 11.2 in second question, according to the given instructions, we have drawn here the rough sketch. It is given that BC is of 8 centimeter and angle B is of 45 degree, and AB minus AC it is given 3.5 centimeter. What it means? It means that AB is greater than AC by 3.5 centimeter, and that we have written here. Now here AB is a side which contains the angle B. Base angle it is given B, okay, and which contains the given angle B. That side is given greater. It means whenever we are marking the arc, we should mark the arc to the upside. Now construction for the base angle and the sum of two sides already we have seen. According to that only we have to do the steps here. Now here we have to draw the base of 8 centimeter. So here I have drawn, that is BC, which is of 8 centimeter. Whatever the measurements are given, that we must show it in a given diagram. Okay, measurements are given that we have to show. Now here we have to make the angle B, that is equal to 45 degree. To make the angle B 45 degree, first we have to construct the angle 90. For constructing the angle we will need 60 degree and 120 degree. So now this way you can construct a 60 degree, and now this is 120 degree. We have to bisect the angle. This point is 120 degree and this is of 60 degree, that we should bisect it so that we will get 90 degree. Okay, and for bisecting, one time you have to mark the arc from these points and another from this point. Now this will be 90 degree, but 90 degree we don't require, so we will just draw the dotted line through it so that we will get the line. This point we will get. Okay, now this is the point for 90 degree and this is the point for 0 degree. Now we have to bisect it so that we will get, for bisecting again more than half of the distance of a arc we will take, and we will mark the arc from these 2 points so that we will get here 45 degree angle. Now after getting the 45 degree angle, draw the ray through B through this point of intersection and extend it to the ray BX to make it ray as a BX. Now how much is the difference is given, that much distance we have to take it in a compass and we have to mark the arc from B to the upside. Why it is upside? Already I told it should be upside because the arm containing the given base angle, that is greater. Okay, so I have drawn it here and this will be my required point D. Okay, these same steps we have done when the sum of two sides are given. Now for the difference of two sides also the same steps you should do. Join D to C, and now we have to find out the perpendicular bisector of it. For finding the perpendicular bisector, take a distance more than half and mark the arc from D and C up and down. Okay, and from this point also up and down. So now here we are going to get 2 intersection points, this point and this point. We are going to join it by the dotted line so that line going through these 2 intersection points, it means perpendicular bisector of DC, it should touch the ray BX. So we are going to draw it, we will extend it till it touches. Now we can see that this is touching to this ray at this point. So this point is nothing but the point A. Okay, now here we got a point A. So we can complete a triangle ABC. So here is the triangle ABC. Okay, now here we can see that these two sides are equal. It means AD will be equal to AC, and now here AB, this is the arc we have given, which is of 3.5 centimeter. This arc is of 3.5 centimeter. So we can now see here that is AC is less than the AB by 3.5 centimeter. Now what you should write down in the justification? Now for the justification, we can take the triangle A, we can name it as M, AMD and AMC. What we can see here, M is the midpoint because we have drawn AM as a perpendicular bisector of DC, as well as this angle M and this angle M. In both the triangle it will be of 90 degree. So now we will get DM is equal to CM and angle M is equal to angle 90 degree, because this is the perpendicular bisector. AM is perpendicular bisector of CD, and hence we can write down this. Okay, now next we can see that AM is common. So AM is equal to AM, that is common side. Okay, and hence we can say that these two triangles, that is AMD, is congruent to triangle AMC by SAS. If they are congruent, then their corresponding parts, that should be equal corresponding parts. It means AD should be equal to AC. AD should be equal to AC. Okay. So this is our first part. Now we can see here, you can see just here, what is the AB? AB is equal to BD plus AD. Okay, what is BD? BD we have drawn the arc of 3.5 centimeter, and AD is what? AD is equal to AC. Just now we have proved AC. Okay, it means now you can write down here the actual measurement of AB is how much, and you can write down how much is the AC. So you can see that it will be greater by 3.5 centimeter, and this is the justification part of this problem.